Hello, Lafayette Lions. This is Mr. Angle coming at you once again with another math lesson, this time involving periods of time. Well, when we're talking about time, sometimes we talk about how much time is a year. Well, a year technically is 365 and 1/4 days. We round that to about 365 days. And because there's 1/4 of a day every year, every 4 years, it's a leap year. We add an extra day to 366. So leap years are 366 days, and our next leap year coming up is in 2024. So what else goes along with these periods of time? Well, we know that there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But how many weeks are there in a 365-day year? Well, there's 52 weeks in a year, exclamation point. And how many months are there in a 365-day year? There are 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. Well, those are the big increments of time, but what about the smaller increments of time? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And we just talked about time last week, and here there are 60 minutes in an hour, and there are 24 hours every day. So if you're having the worst day of your life, it only lasts 24 hours, and you can always have another day to make things right, start anew. And of course, when you're doing chores, minutes and hours seem so much longer. And so when I am converting these periods of time, like how many days are in 5 weeks, or how many years are in 36 months, or even how many months are in 6 years, I want to think about multiplying and or dividing. So first, how many days are in 5 weeks? Well, I know that there's 7 days in 1 week. And if I multiply that by 5 weeks, I can get 7 times 5. There are 35 days in 5 weeks. If you need to use groups or arrays to help you with that, I really insist you do that. Well, how many years are in 36 months? Well, I know that 36 months divided by, there's 12 months in 1 year. So 36 divided by 12, and that's 3 years. There's 3 years. 36 months takes them 3 years. And how many months are there in 6 years? Well, we already know that 12 months are in a year. If I'm going for 6 years, I multiply by 6. And if I can do my work on the side, 12 times 6. I know that 6 times 2 is 12. I like to add a plus 1 up top. And 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 72. Right? So if we're doing a 2-digit by 1 digit, I really insist that you show your work. Your teachers will love you for it. And how many months are in 6 years? 72 months. So make sure you're showing your work when you're trying to convert how many are in each. And if you click on the quiz below, there are some questions with some drop downs, and they will help you practice for periods of time. All right, thanks for listening, and we will talk to you possibly in person, possibly virtual. Take care.